Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and this video I'm going to talk about how to take screenshot on Snapchat without getting notifications or Android devices. First thing what you have to do is open the respective Snapchat which you want to take, and from here you have to take the screenshot. You have to do like this. Now once it is done, you just have to press volume down and power button all together. So the screenshot is taken and just have to save it up. You can do anything between, you can crop it up, you can do all those things you wanted to do it up, and once it is done, all these things you just have to save the respective one and you just have to open the respective one. And as you can see that even the person whom you take the screenshot will not be getting any notifications like you have taken a screenshot, and it is all good. And this is how you can do this for the Android devices. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.